Hey guys, it's Jessica here with another video in my series, PPC Myths versus Reality. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on valuable tips and knowledge in the future. Something I talk to new clients about a lot is watchful management and account activity. There's a myth floating around out there that 90% of the work with PPC is done in the first month. Set it and forget it. Let me show you just a couple of reasons why that's wrong. One of the biggest and most important metrics in paid traffic is quality score on AdWords and relevance score on Facebook. Both of these can make or break an account. While sometimes you get lucky, hit the jackpot, and instantly get a great score, most of the time you need to do lots of testing to get it right. The biggest influence on it is engagement, represented by click-through rate, interaction rate, and engagement rate on Facebook. As you test different ad copy or images, your click-through rate goes up, and AdWords and Facebook will reward you with a high quality or relevance score, which gives you a massive discount. We've worked on campaigns for months to crack the code, but once you get it, your cost per click drops and your traffic increases. But again, it takes a lot of time to allow for testing to get it right. Another big area where watchful management is very important is wasted spend. We all know the concept of keyword testing. Launch 10 keywords, some will convert right away, and some need to be optimized, and some will never convert. But if you were to just launch your keywords and let them ride over time, even if you're looking at it once a month, in the course of that month, you could potentially waste hundreds or thousands of dollars on these terms. Keywords can nickel and dime you. Each one might cost only $10 or $20, but that combined, that really adds up. WordStream analyzed tens of thousands of AdWords accounts and found that of all the metrics out there, account activity is the most important for maintaining a healthy account. Simply opening up the account and looking at it, asking yourself what you can do to push it forward, testing new ad copy and keywords, doing more bid optimization, makes for better paid traffic management. You catch things faster, you think about improvements more often. This is an example of our project management board for a client. It's a great way to keep track of what needs to be done inside of an account on a day-to-day basis. At Search Scientists, we're creating a periodic table of PPC, our encyclopedia of how great PPC is done. When we create an element for it, we always include what day of the month it should be done, whether it should be done more than once per month, and how long it should take. There's hundreds of things you can do inside of an account, and we want to be sure we're hitting the biggest metrics first and frequently. If you want more info on our periodic table of PPC, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter. I hope this dispels the myth that you can set it and forget it with your ads, because you absolutely cannot. Quality score, relevance score will never go up without lots of ad testing, and your wasted spend will chew away at your profitability if you don't keep a watchful eye on your account. If you'd like Search Scientists to audit your accounts and check out your level of activity, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you next time.